Shut up and sit down.
Good morning. So apparently I signed up for a mud run or some kind of terrain race. So I am headed now about an hour north to Conroe to go run an obstacle course. So I was like, oh, I guess I signed up for this last year. So anyway, there I go. Wish me luck. I'm probably not going to film because I don't have my GoPro or anything. So yeah, this should be fun. It's like blue skies and sunny and cold. It's like 60 degrees. And I got Prudence, so I can take a nap afterwards. All right, wish me luck. I'll take some photos and things and video when I get there, but not while I'm running. So I'll just splice in some footage of some previous races that I've done. You can see that. Yeah, I paid for the parking. Thank you. There's my parking ticket. I don't know what that does. Maybe I win a raffle too. It's taking a while. It takes about 30 minutes to get to the parking lot. A lot of people waving. I don't think we can go any other direction. I'm pretty sure it's marked on both sides. We really only have one way to go, so I'm not sure all these people waving are necessary. I just finished. I'm gonna run it again. That's why I'm doing the race twice. I'm really muddy right now. And yeah, I'm gonna go back in line and go run it one more time. It's only like 3 miles. And I skipped a few things. So, all right, let's go do this with the phone this time.
Trail. Please stay within that corridor, all right? All right, we're ready to go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
So I'm running this the second time now. Watch out. Watch out, everyone. Race coming through. Watch out. This is the race. Second time. I skipped some things the first time, so. So this one you need a partner, and since I'm ahead of the pack, everyone's back there. Since now I'm professional terrain racer.
Yeah, I know, but you know, we have a lot of entitlement.
I lost a shoe. Hang on. Oh my god. Oh, I'm behind them. Are you together?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but my kids are banging up.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Go closer to the
Oh my god. I can. I have one of these. Oh, disabled. Yeah. Sorry. I already did the race one time. They had to help me through.
Oh, we got you. We're all for it. It's a team effort.
I just want the least amount of effort possible today, you know. No,
Well, and I'm short, so I'm not.
Yeah, mud in your
I can. I just got like arm injury, so.
It's better than mud in your underwear.
Yo, it's set for training. What is happening? Oh my god, I got mud in my eye. Yeah, no pandemic now, apparently. Woo! Okay, let's keep going. When I ran this the first time, some guy had lost his shoe and he ran the whole race without a shoe. Okay, totally muddy. I literally have mud in my eye right here. Okay, what is this one? This is a big no. Is a pile of no. The obligatory CrossFit team showing us up. That's right.
goes. Make sure you stay within the red tape. Stay within the red tape. Follow the orange flags that are going down the trail, okay? Everybody make sure you do that. Please look out for yourselves, look out for your fellow runners, and have fun and be safe if you're going down the trail. You ready to go? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Stable up here. Oh my god, I should probably get down. Super fun. I ran the race twice. I didn't do everything, obviously, because I have, you know, army disabilities, spinal injuries. It's a Saturday morning, so super fun. And obviously there's no pandemic, apparently. I don't know. Anyway, this was fun. I'm gonna head home now. Awesome. So I was talking to this college girl with the family next door, and that were parked right next to me, and she was asking about how to build a van and stuff. So I'm gonna head to the British depot right now, get some fish and chips and some British food. I'm a little muddy, but I wiped myself down at the army shower with the wet wipes. You know, true van life. You don't have to shower every day. That is a fact. But anyway, so yeah, got my medal and heading out. So super fun, great day. So this is one of many British stores that they have in the Houston and Greater Houston area. A lot of Brits here for oil and gas and stuff. So I've never been in here, but I'm gonna go in and check it out and see what they have, what's overpriced. A lot of overpriced British food. Anyway, it's called the British Depot, or the Depot, I guess we would say in the States. We can fight wars and stuff. Hang on. Yeah, it's lovely. It's good. That was a really great store. It was super nice people. I think they're Scottish. And I got some Ribena, which I love, and also dandelion and burdock, which I haven't had in a very long time, probably 30 years almost. And then I have a whole bag of British food down there. So now I'm gonna go get fish and chips and yeah, go get some lunch. So I haven't been over here since before the pandemic, But there used to be a British store, which I think is the one that I just went to, that moved because they were talking about having more room. And then there was a fish and chip shop over here. There's also a pie place and I guess a farmer's market. Yeah, I think, oh, this looks fun. Okay, I'll check this place out, and I guess, I don't know if the fish and chip place, yeah, the British depot used to be over here. So I'm gonna park and then check out the little shopping area. I guess the fish and chip shop is closed. That was over there. But yeah, I'll check out the farmer's market, see what that's about, see if I can buy some soap or something, I don't know. So this was the fish and chip restaurant. I guess it's closed. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's open. Anyway, they had really good fish and chips, but you know, with everything with the pandemic, unfortunately. But I smell food. I went in the pie place. They don't have rhubarb. That's my only pie that I like. And over here they have a restaurant. So I don't think I'm gonna eat here. I think I'm gonna go somewhere else. Yeah, I gotta head back. I'm about an hour from my house, so I think I'm just gonna take the scenic route back and yeah, just relax the rest of the day, edit the video. They're closing up the farmer's market. I got a candle, which is fresh outdoor smell, which is great. And then I got some bath bombs for Harriette that look like Among Us, which is this little character that she likes, a little video game. So she'll enjoy those, and I think I'm heading out.